Welcome back to Rev Up Results by Detailers Movement. Let me ask you something. Do you actually know what it costs to run every job at your shop? Most business owners think they're making money until they do the math. Today, I'm breaking down how to understand your real costs. It's more than just film or polish. Calculate your profit margins and price your services so you're building profit, not just staying busy. 1. The problem. Too many shop owners underestimate costs. Here's the reality. So many shops are busy, but still broke. Why? Because they don't fully track their costs. It's not just the film or ceramic coating product. It's labor, rent, utilities, insurance, marketing, even your salary. Here's a great tip. If you're not factoring every dollar going out, you're guessing, you're not running a business. 2, breaking down costs, fixed versus variable. All right, let's simplify this. There are 2 types of costs, fixed and variable. Fixed costs equals stuff you pay no matter how many jobs you do. Rent, insurance, salaries, software subscriptions like your CRM. Variable costs equals costs that go up or down depending on how much work you're doing. Your PPF, your window tint, or your detailing products. Labor, if you pay techs per job or overtime. Shop supplies, microfibers, blades, chemicals. Here's a great tip. Track these separately so you can easily spot where your money is actually going. 3, how to calculate profit margins. Now, let's talk about margins. That's the money you keep after all the costs. Here's the basic formula. Selling price minus total costs divided by selling price equals gross margin percentage. For example, if you charge $1,200 for a PPF install and your total costs are $700, film, labor, overhead split, all in, your gross margin is about 41%. Here's a great tip. Shoot for at least a 40 to 50% margin on high ticket services like PPF or Tint. Anything lower and you'll struggle to scale. 4, the hidden killer, busy but broke syndrome. Here's where a lot of shops get stuck. They stay busy with low margin jobs. You feel slammed, but your bank account says otherwise. This is why understanding your margins matters. You can't just work harder to grow. You've got to price smarter. Here's a great tip. Stop focusing on how many cars you can squeeze in per week. Focus on how much profit you make per job. All right, let's wrap this up. Know your fixed and variable costs. Track every expense, even the sneaky ones, and build your pricing around healthy profit margins, not just covering the basics. In the next lesson, we'll go deeper into pricing strategies, whether you should go high ticket or volume based for your shop. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.